Crowdcast is the easiest way to create an online event and connect with your audience over live video. Getting started is quick and painless. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first event. First, let's give our event a name. Now, let's schedule the event. If you're planning to do something like an online summit, then make sure to click Series to have multiple sessions. That's all you really need to create an event, but there's a lot more you can do. Here you can add a description with images, links, and videos that's going to show up on that registration page. Next, choose if you want your event to be public or unlisted. If it's public, it's going to show up on your Crowdcast profile page. And if you want an extra layer of security, just add a password. Crowdcast integrates with Stripe so that you can easily take payments for your event. And finally, let's add a cover photo so that the event looks beautiful on Facebook and Twitter. And just like that, your event is ready. Now that you've created the event, simply share the event URL to invite people to join. Crowdcast automatically creates a registration page for your event. As people register and join, they will show up right here in the People tab. Now, before we go live, you might want to drop in a note for your attendees right here in the chat. When you're ready to go live, just click here to enter the green room. Now, while you're in the green room, click on the settings icon to make sure you have the right camera and mic. And if you have any co-speakers, click on the People tab to invite them up. The green room is a private space for you and your co-speakers to get all set up before you go live. Alright, so now that you're all set up, just click here to go live. And just like that, you are live with everyone in the event with no delays. Oh, and by the way, it's automatically recording as well. And if you have any slides, just click here to share your screen. Now that you're live, there are 4 main ways you can interact with your audience. First is chat. Here, everyone in the event can meet each other. Now, as the host, you do have the ability to ban people or delete their messages. The second main way to interact is just face-to-face. Here you see me inviting Aaron up to the screen. Now, as the host, you're kind of like the director. You can give people the floor by focusing on them, or go back to split screen by unfocusing. To kick them off screen, just click on the X on their video. The third way to interact is through Q&A. People can post their question or upvote others. Now, when you're answering the question, make sure to click on that Start Answering button. What that does is it adds a timestamp to the question, so that when anyone shows up late, they're able to jump right to that moment in the video where you're answering that question. And the final way is through polls, so that you can quickly get real-time feedback from your audience. And when you're ready to end the event, just hit End Broadcast and the recording will be available in just a couple of seconds. That's it for the basics of using Crowdcast. If you have any questions, shoot us a message on our live support or an email at support@crowdcast.io.